In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the merciful.
The measurement of an anisotropy can provide the information about the internal urge processing and mineralogy. In medical field, they are useful for the ultrasonic imaging. The anisotropy's passage of electromagnetic radiation through a crystal can help reveal the internal structure of a crystal.
Anisotropy is the property of substances to exist variation in physical properties along different molecular axes. In the given diagram, we can easily show anisotropy in crystal is due to different arrangement of particles along different directions. The directional dependence of a material's magnetic properties. In physics, the quality of exhibiting properties with different values when measured along axes in different directions. Anisotropy is most easily observed in single crystal of solid elements or compounds, in which atoms, ions, or molecules are arranged in regular lattices. Anisotropy, the magnitude and the type of magnetic anisotropy, affects the magnetization and hysteresis curves in magnetic materials. Nature of the magnetic anisotropy is an important factor in determining the suitability of a magnetic material for a particular application. Anisotropy can be intrinsic naturally as a result of its crystal chemistry or its shape. It can be induced by careful choice of processing method. Several kinds of anisotropy. Crystal anisotropy, formerly called magnetocrystalline anisotropy, shape anisotropy, stress anisotropy, anisotropy induced by magnetic annealing, plastic deformation, irradiation, and exchange anisotropy. Crystal anisotropy. Crystal anisotropy may therefore be regarded as a force which tend to hold the magnetization in certain equivalent crystallographic direction in a crystal. When the rotation process is complete, the domain wall in disappears and the crystal is saturated. Because the applied field must do work against the anisotropy force to turn the magnetization vector away from an easy direction. There must be energy stored in any crystal in which ms point in an easy non-easy direction. This is called the crystal anisotropy energy E, which we can represent E is equal to k naught plus k1 bracket alpha square 1 alpha square 2 plus alpha square 2 alpha square 3 plus alpha square cube 3 alpha square 1 plus k2 is equal to bracket a square 1 a square 2 a square 3 and so on, where k1 k2 are called anisotropy constant. Typically values for iron at room temperature are k1 is equal to 4.2 multiplied by 10 raised by 5 and k2 1.5 multiplied by 10 raised by 5. The energy is that stored in a crystal when work is done against the anisotropy force to move the magnetization away from an easy direction. Physical origin of crystal anisotropy. Crystal anisotropy is due mainly to spin orbit coupling. By coupling is meant a kind of interaction. Thus, we speak of the exchange interaction between two neighboring spins as a spin-spin coupling. And in the following diagram, you can easily say that the spin and lattice interaction is weak, spin and orbit interaction is weak, but the spin and orbit and lattice interaction is strong. The spin-spin coupling therefore cannot contribute to the crystal anisotropy. There is also coupling between the spin and the orbital motion of each electron. When an external field tries to reorient the spin of an electron, the orbit of that electron also tend to be reoriented, but the orbit is strongly coupled to the lattice and therefore resists the attempt to rotate the spin axis. The energy required to rotate the spin system of a domain away from the easy direction, which we call the anisotropy energy, is just the energy required to overcome the spin orbit coupling. Magnetocrystalline anisotropy is the tendency of the magnetization to align itself along a preferred crystallographic direction. Schematic result for MH loop of ferromagnetic metals such as iron and nickel. Saturation magnetization is the same no matter which axis it is applied along, provided that the field is large enough, but the field required to reach the saturation value is distinctly different. Magnetocrystal anisotropy energy can be defined as the energy difference per unit volume between samples magnetized along easy and hard direction. High symmetric crystallographic direction In the following diagram, we can easily show 110, 1111, and 001. These are the direction which we can easily we can show in the diagram. Symmetry of magnetocrystalline anisotropy is always the same as that of the crystal structure. For iron, which is cubic, the anisotropy energy E can be written as a series expansion of the direction. Cobalt is hexagonal, which the easy axis along the hexagonal axis. The symmetry causes a uniaxial anisotropy energy, and its angular dependence is a function only the angle theta between the magnetization vector and a hexagonal axis. In all materials, the anisotropy decreases with increasing temperature, and in near critical temperature it tends to zero, since there is no preferred orientation for magnetization in the paramagnetic state. Schematic magnetization curve for terbium with the field applied along the perpendicular to the easy axis. Shape anisotropy. Most materials show some magnetocrystalline anisotropy. Polycrystalline sample with no preferred orientation of its grain will have no overall crystalline anisotropy. If the shape is exactly spherical, will the same field magnetize it to the same extent in every direction. And in the following diagram, we can easily show the shape anisotropy constant on the y-axis and the x-axis axial ratio C by E. In the sample is not spherical, then it will be easier to magnetize it along a long axis. The phenomena is known as the shape anisotropy. Demagnetizing field. Suppose that our prolate spheroid has been magnetized by a magnetic field applied from right to left. The field inside the sample points from left to right in the opposite direction to the field applied external field. And in fact, the size of demagnetizing field is directly proportional to the size of the magnetization. HD is equal to NdMrm, where Nd is called the demagnetizing factor, and it is determined by the shape of the sample. Anisotropy becomes stronger as the aspect ratio increases with Nd approaches to 0 as the distance between the poles approaches to infinity. Demagnetizing field, moreover, the effective field acting inside the material HEF is smaller than the applied field by an amount equal to the demagnetizing field, which is equal to H applied minus HD. So along the long axis where Nd is small, H applied minus Ndm approximately equal to H applied. Induced magnetic anisotropy is not intrinsic to a material, but is produced by a treatment such as annealing, which has directional characteristic. If the grains in a polycrystal material we have a preferred orientation, which we call a texture, where we will see the anisotropy. Preferred orientation are determined in part by the laws of physics, which we can't change, but also by the sample preparation. Magnetic annealing refer to the heating and slow cooling of a sample in the presence of a magnetic field in a metal alloy that creates an easy axis of magnetization parallel to the applied field. The phenomena was first observed in Parmoli in the 1950s. Magnetic annealing induces anisotropy because it causes directional order. Roll anisotropy. Large magnetic anisotropy can be created by cold rolling of Fe iron nickel alloys. As a result, subsequent magnetization parallel to the rolling direction take place entirely by domain rotation, giving a linear BH curve and roughly constant permeability over a wide range of applied fields.